In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Squarespace 7.1. Start by signing into your Squarespace account and opening the site you want to work on. From the main dashboard, choose Website to open your site tools, then head into Pages. This is where you'll organize everything your visitors can access, and it's also where you'll create your landing page. In the Pages panel, click the plus icon to add something new. From the drop-down, choose Blank Page. Give your page a clear, descriptive name so you and your visitors know exactly what it's for, something like Summer Campaign or Free Guide. Don't worry, you can edit the title later, but a good name helps keep your site tidy. Next, choose Empty Page to start with a clean slate. Open your new page from the list so it's active, then click Edit to enter the page editor. This is where you'll build your layout and content. Begin by clicking Add Section. You can start with a completely blank section for maximum control, or pick from the built-in templates if you want a quick, polished structure. Templates are great for common landing page patterns like a hero with a headline, supporting text, and a button. Within your section, click Add Block to place the elements you need: text, images, video, buttons, forms, and more. Keep your copy concise, focus on one primary call to action, and remove anything that doesn't support that goal. If you chose a template, you can simply customize what's already there by replacing text and images to match your offer and brand voice. For layout and visuals, use Edit Section to adjust the section settings. Here you can change the background, solid color, image, or video, and set the color theme. Aim for strong contrast between text and background to maintain readability, and keep your palette consistent with your brand for a cohesive feel. When you're happy with the content and styling, click Save. Now open the page settings. Under Navigation, turn off the header and footer. This creates a distraction-free landing page that keeps the focus on your message and call to action. If this landing page should be the first thing visitors see, go to the General tab and make it the home page. Only do this when you're ready for it to be front and center. That's it. You've created a focused on-brand landing page in Squarespace 7.1, built from a blank canvas or a template, refined with blocks and section settings, and streamlined by hiding the header and footer. Save your changes, preview on mobile and desktop, and you're ready to share.